Hello?
James.
Who are you?
I'm following you.
You. New number, same stalkers, huh?
What is that poppin' sound?
Popcorn? Scary movie night, you know? Normal people things.
Do you like scary movies?
Love 'em.
And do you love them more than your boyfriend, Aiden?
He's not my boyfriend.
You haven't posted him recently.
Jesus, you people are obsessed. Leave me alone. Ciao.
Wait, one more thing.
What?
Maybe I can convince James to watch a romantic comedy. James? James? Is everything all right? If this is some kind of TikTok prank, I'm gonna be... James! Oh God! James, can you hear me? Say something, please! No, no! Stay away!
The Night Butcher has claimed 2 victims. With 5 of you left. Best start saying your prayers.
2 victims? What is she saying?
Maybe it is a part of a challenge. But surely they wouldn't hurt us.
It wouldn't be the first time our contract screwed us over. Maybe we should go look for the others, just in case.
Haha, real funny prank, guys. If I slip and hurt myself, I'm blaming you. Seriously, this isn't the time for...
Hunter? Is everything... Oh. This is a dream. This is all a dream. And I'm going to wake up. Help me! Please!
Oh my God! It's real! We're gonna die! No, we won't. Chicas, get it together and let's call for help. Come on! Where is my phone?
I can't find mine either.
This must be Marcus's doing. Can this show go 1 season without hiring a criminal?
Okay, let's stay calm. Will she be fine in here?
Here's Johnny.
Rosa, what do we do?
Quick! Out of the window! He has my leg!
I won't leave you.
Just run!
Rosa, run! No keys.
No problem. My late nights working with Papa at the garage finally come in handy.
Rosa!
Oh, you're dead! Never mind, stupid low-budget show.
Look!
Lake, run! I'll handle this.
Rosa, no! Let's escape together!
Go! Now!
Rosa, Okay!
You think you're scary? Try giving birth without a fucking epidural! Hit me with your vest shot!
This can't be happening. Leave me alone!
You!
That's for attacking my friends. Auf Wiedersehen.
No!